The intention behind joining the Alive experience was to really get out of my comfort zone. I had promised myself that I would not travel for a year, and that when I did travel again, I would do it in a group setting. I work in the well-being space. I am a conscious lifestyle and brand development specialist, and for me, it was about working in new areas with a new audience and really learning a little bit more about myself by getting uncomfortable. Not so much about being the solo traveler anymore, but really traveling in a group and having experiences that are profound, that are going to take me to another level. Some of the highlight moments for me on the trip were going to the temple and doing the water ceremony. I had been asking for some answers. I was asking for a sign, and I was able to find that on this trip. Not only the water temple, but climbing the mountain that we did, getting up at 1:30 in the morning, although I did not want to, and going into this hike, knowing that it was going to be tough, but having the support system that I did, I felt so empowered. And when I got to the top, I felt so accomplished. After having had that experience, I feel again like I cannot forget to be the child that I am, the one that really inspires me, the one that's full of creativity, the one that feels alive. So I feel alive again because of this experience.
Oh, that was so amazing! I did it! I can't believe it!
Although I thought I knew what I was looking for, I was able to find so much more.